meet doggies. Come on, we'll go there later. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't be mean. Hi. Hi. Is it the fence? Is it the fence? Come here, Fuck. Oh, you want to go in? Come on. What are you barking at? What are you barking at? Don't barking. Don't barking. Hey. That's her favorite. Oh, Andy. Maddie's a poodle mix. A doodle mix, probably. My he's got a little haircut. She's heavy. You are saucy. A little like you're going to throw in a little bit. Are you ready to go more places? Did you smell all the dogs and you had your fun? Ready to go? Yeah. No, Fox is a YouTube personality. He was concerned because of the barking. He doesn't like people or dogs or anybody to be upset, so he comes and tries to bust it up. But he does it very subtly. Yeah, his channel is called Fox, the Cutest Dog in the West on YouTube. He's always had that. He likes to play ball. He won't hurt. He'll just like play, you know. Puppies especially. He's very good at he won't start it, but if they get a little excited with him, he'll let them know that's not cool. Aww. Now we're going to check out this one. Get the smell on. Just walk around here. Hi. This is better than the dog park. Okay if your doggy goes on YouTube?
What's that?
Okay if your doggy goes on YouTube?
Oh yeah, sure. If you like.
What's the name?
His name's Cody.
Cody.
You want a treat, Cody? Here you go.
Oh, you got a cookie, Fox?
Don't want a treat?
He's not treating the road.
Oh, this guy loves treats. One more?
You probably feed him really good treats.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken jerky.
Freeze-dried turkey. Kind of like jerky.
Yeah, he got that at home. You too. Come on. No ball. Sorry, we're walking. Enjoy it while it lasts. Oh, we're going this way. This way. Going around, then we're going to find the car. Come on. Come on. Not going for no long ass walk. It's hot. This is a long walk already. Find the car. Go find the car.